Gardening is a therapeutic journey filled with the joy of nurturing life. But even the most seasoned green thumbs encounter challenges. One such challenge is dealing with rotten orchid roots, a dilemma that can be disheartening for any plant enthusiast. We explore an ingenious solution that utilizes a humble kitchen staple rice to breathe life back into your orchids. Join us on this botanical adventure as we uncover the magic behind reviving rotten orchid roots with just a handful of rice. Understanding the plight of rotten orchid roots. Orchids, revered for their delicate beauty, are susceptible to root rot due to various factors such as overwatering, poor drainage, or fungal infections. Rotten roots compromise the plant's ability to absorb nutrients, leading to stunted growth and, in severe cases, plant demise. The science behind Reese as a restoration aid. Reese, often viewed as a staple in our kitchens, possesses unique properties that make it an excellent ally in plant care. When immersed in water, Reese releases natural compounds that promote a beneficial microbial environment, warding off harmful pathogens and fostering a healthy substrate for root recovery. Materials needed for the restoration process. Gather the essentials for this transformative journey: a handful of rice, a container, water, and of course, your ailing orchid. Prepare to witness the magic unfold. Gently remove the orchid from its pot, taking care not to damage the delicate roots. Trim away any visibly rotten or decaying roots, leaving only healthy portions. In a container, soak the rice in water for a few hours, allowing the magic to begin. Place the trimmed orchid roots into the rice-infused water, ensuring they are fully submerged. Allow the orchid to soak for an optimal duration, letting the rice's natural properties work their wonders. Observing the miraculous transformation. As the rice interacts with the orchid roots, you may notice subtle changes indicating the restoration process is underway. New root growth, vibrant color, and improved turgidity are positive signs that your orchid is on the path to recovery. Repotting and continued care. Once the restoration process is complete, carefully repot your orchid in fresh, well-draining medium. Maintain a balanced watering schedule, provide adequate light, and watch as your orchid regains its former glory. Success stories and testimonials. Explore real-life accounts from fellow gardeners who have successfully revived their orchids using this rice-based restoration technique. Discover the joy of witnessing nature's resilience and the satisfaction of nurturing a once ailing plant back to health. In the world of gardening, every challenge presents an opportunity for growth and discovery. Armed with the knowledge of this innovative rice-based restoration method, you can embark on a journey of rejuvenating your beloved orchids, turning a seemingly dire situation into a triumph of nature and care. Join the ranks of plant enthusiasts who have witnessed the magic with just a handful of rice. The rotten orchid roots will revive, and your garden will flourish once more.